So here's just a random updo with a Real Flexi. This is a type of hair slide with an attached stick, and it has very pretty designs, and it has a groove to hold it in really, really well. It is somewhat flexible, so you can go up and down with the size a little bit. There's 7 different sizes, but you can often get them to work slightly smaller or bigger because they do stretch a little bit. They're piano wire. But if you want to experiment with a hair slide, you can actually do it with a regular hair elastic and a pencil or a chopstick, or in this case, I could only find a pen because I just like pencils. Pencil would work better though. So you put the hair elastic over the hair and then the pencil under the hair and through loops on either side, just like that. If you have very thick hair, like locks or dreadlocks, then 2 elastics tied together might work better. So this will give you an idea of how you can use hair slides.